How to replace windshield wipers on Audi A4, A5 and similar. To change windshield wipers on Audis, it's not as easy as it is on different cars because you cannot lift them up. They are hidden. They are hidden behind the hood. It's a nice feature, but now we have to do something a little special compared to other cars. To bring them into position, we can actually open the arm, lift the arm up. You have to turn the ignition on. Go to car menu. Then use this cluster knob to go to windshield wipers menu. Press on it. Now it's off. Press on it again and you move it to position on. And your windshield wipers are in the service position. Now it depends on the wiper you have. You have this little notch in here. So on most of them, you just push on it, wiggle it, and slide the wiper up. But this one is a little different. I'll show you right away what is the difference. There are probably, I don't know, at least 3-4 systems how to install the wiper on the arm. All you have to do is just pop this wiper off. Just like that, because it has a really easy system of connecting the wiper to the adapter. So we have these two notches here from one side and the other, and these two guys are not allowing me to pull the windshield wiper upwards. When it's installed, then it's actually not allowing me to move it forward. That's why you have to just pop it out like that. So if I put it back in place, it has this groove right here for the windshield wiper, and those two notches on the side, they are not allowing the windshield wiper going up. I bought a pair of BOSCH windshield wipers. The proper length for the driver's side is 24 inches long and for the passenger side 20 inches long. To install them, you have to identify the right adapter for the application. So we have Audi A5. So from this list is option number 2, or the option in row number 2, 19 millimeters. So all we have to do is remove the BOSCH adapter first, as you see on those first two pictures. Then I look down to specialty adapter. I tried adapter number 4 and I use it on my arm just without a windshield wiper. And as you see, it works perfectly fine. It fits in, no problem, and also the security pin or security notch is right in the place. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this cover. So press on this notch and pull. And then I want to remove this adapter number 2. So I'm gonna grab my little tiny screwdriver. I'm gonna pry on it from the side, just like that. I'm gonna hold it with my finger, turn it to the other side, and the same thing here. And I'm gonna press on it and remove it. And there is a arrow facing that way. So I'm gonna grab my adapter number 4, and there is this arrow as well. So 2 arrows facing the same way. I'm gonna put it back on, slide it into the place. Same thing will happen with the passenger side. So once you have both windshield wipers installed, let's bring those windshield wiper arms back to normal position from the service position. So we want to turn the ignition on. Then you want to go to car menu, to windshield wipers, service position. You can see it, now you can. Off. And they went back to normal position. And you might turn your ignition off. So I showed you the installation of the Bosch windshield wipers. If you buy different brand, different type, it might be a little bit different, obviously, but the system it's very, very similar, I believe, to any other brands. Hopefully you enjoy this, and see you in the next video.